If you've invested in Enhanced token, you're probably wondering how in the world are you getting your Safemoon reflections from Enhanced? As we know, we have a dashboard that we can go over to look at how many Safemoon tokens we've earned, but how are we getting those tokens in our Safemoon wallet, in Trust Wallet, or wherever you may hold Safemoon? So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at that. You can actually do it manually, or you can wait for the protocol to do it automatically. So let's just go and take a look at the price of Safemoon. Before we do that, we're sitting right now at 0.001889, and there is the swap and liquefy function that is about to happen. So there is going to be another drop soon. So pay attention to that. If you guys are looking to buy more Safemoon, maybe wait for that swap and liquefy function to happen. There's about 30 million tokens left to be accumulated in that function, and then we're going to see a dip in the price of Safemoon. So now let's go ahead and understand what's happening with the reflections from Enhanced, because of course you invested money to essentially increase your Safemoon bag. You're seeing your reflections go up on the dashboard as we just saw, but those tokens are not in your Safemoon wallet just yet. So here's a picture that was tweeted out by the Enhanced Twitter account, and this is essentially what's happening. So it says no reflections from Enhanced yet. Unlike Safemoon, Enhanced does not reflect in real time. Deposits are sent out in batches using a queue system. Depending on volume, rewards may deposit daily or they may be even weekly. Buys or sells will manually trigger your reward deposit. Our contract will build up the taxes from the volume and deposit once enough gas has gathered. Manual claims can be done, and we are going to go over that. So essentially what you can do right now is you can either wait and it's automatically going to happen once there's enough gas, and as we go through the queue system, it's going to send out the rewards to your wallets, and it says it may take up to a week. So we can wait for that, or if you guys are eager to get your reflections right now, you can also do it manually. But I want to caution you guys, because if you do it manually, it's going to involve gas, and it's BNB gas, so it's about like $2-3 in BNB that you're gonna have to spend if you want to do it manually and get your tokens right away. So if we go onto the Enhanced Discord here, we have a tutorial on how to do it manually, how to go claim your rewards manually. So the first step is you actually have to copy the contract address from Enhanced token and paste it onto BSC scan. Then go onto the contract. You're going to be able to write your contract, connect to the Web3, which is your wallet connect. Then you can connect the Safemoon wallet or whichever other wallet you're using. You're going to click write, and it's essentially going to do it all for you. Now, if this sounds like a foreign language to you, don't worry, we're going to show you guys how to do this. So let's go back to the internet. Let's go on to Enhance's website. I'm sure you guys can all get there with no problems. So let's go down. Let's copy this contract address. You click copy and it copies for you. Go on to bscscan.com and then paste that in here. So once you're here, you can actually see all the transactions that are happening, and we are seeing that some people are claiming this, and we're seeing that people are getting their Safemoon reflections. So if we were just to go see one transaction, for instance, if we go on this one here, which was 14 minutes ago, we can see that this person claimed 278 Safemoon tokens, and that actually cost them $2.34. So they actually paid more in gas than the actual amount of Safemoon they got. So it's entirely up to you guys whether or not you want to go ahead and do it manually or just wait for it to be done automatically. But of course, if you have thousands and thousands of tokens and you want those in your Safemoon wallet right away, you may pay $2, but you're obviously going to have more than 52 cents worth of Safemoon. So it may be worthwhile for you guys. But anyways, let's go back to this page. So the next step, once you're here, once you've pasted the contract address into BSC scan, what you want to do now is you want to go over to contract, and then you can scroll down here, but essentially what you want to click is write contract. So once you click that, you can scroll down to the fourth point here where it says claim, and I won't be able to do it on my computer. You actually have to go ahead and do it on your phone. So once you're on your phone, if you click write, it's going to connect you to the wallet connect, and then you click on wallet connect, and it's going to either bring you to the wallet that you want to connect, either Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Safemoon wallet. And once you go there, if we go back to the Discord and look at the video that they shared with us, we can go on to this, and essentially once you write it, it's going to ask you for the wallet connect. The quality is bad on this video, but that's not because of me, so sorry about that, guys. But here you have your wallet connect, and you would choose the wallet you want to open up. In this case, they do Trust Wallet. It brings this up, you connect it via the Web3 or the wallet connect, and then you can go back to the BSC scan link. And once you're there, you're going to see that it's connected to your wallet, whichever wallet it may be. You go back to the claim and you click write again. And once you do that, it's going to open up your Trust Wallet. So you want to click open up Trust Wallet or open up whichever wallet you have. Then it's going to ask for the confirmation. Here we see another gas fee. And as I've said, it may not be worthwhile for you guys if you are paying more gas than actually getting a Safemoon. So it's all dependent on what you guys want to do. But there you have it. They refresh. And now they have the smart contract that's executed, and you have your tokens or the reflections that were on Enhance are now deposited in your Safemoon in whichever wallet you have Safemoon in. So there you have it. I could go ahead and claim the 727 Safemoon tokens I have because of Enhance, but I'm not going to go ahead and do that just because I would end up paying more gas fee than the actual amount of Safemoon I would get. So I think 727 Safemoon is probably not worth $1, and I would be paying probably around $3 to do this transaction. So I'm just gonna wait for it to automatically be sent. Once the protocol has enough gas, it is going to send it automatically to my wallet, whether that is in 2 days, 3 days, whatever the case may be. I am just gonna be patient and wait, but if you guys want to manually do it, you guys can go ahead and do that for yourselves. So that's essentially how you manually claim your tokens. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. But with all that being said, if you guys found some value to this video, make sure you smash the like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.